Hello, I'm ready for my interview today. Hello.
Hi, Saritha Chaudhary. Great to have you here. I'm ARIA, an AI interviewer with Hello Recruiter. Glad we could connect today. I'd love to hear about your background and explore how it lines up with what we're looking for. This is meant to be a conversation, not an interrogation, so be yourself. Questions are welcome anytime. Shall we get started?
Yeah, we can get started.
Just to make sure, you're interested in the AI Developer Intern at Hello Recruiter, and you're in India. All correct?
Yeah, all correct.
How has the monsoon weather been treating you lately?
Yeah, it was fitting good pretty much. As I was staying in Bangalore, it was a bit unpredictable weather, like a bit sunny in the mornings and bit drizzling in the evenings, but pretty much good.
That sounds like classic Bangalore weather. Always keeps you on your toes. Having a good Thursday so far?
Yeah, I'm having a good Thursday, bit busy Thursday. I was solving some lead code problems, attending some walk-in drives, going through my projects, and suddenly the email showed up as an interview, like AI interview. I was a bit tensed as it was my first AI interview. Hope it goes well.
It is completely normal to feel a bit nervous, especially for your first AI interview, but you are doing great. Just take a deep breath. We're just here to have a friendly chat about your background and interests. Before we dive into that, I do need to quickly check if there are any specific work authorization or location requirements we need to note for this role. Let me check that for us. Got it. No restrictions there, which is great. So, to kick things off, walk me through your background and what got you interested in this opportunity.
Yeah, sure. Firstly, thank you so much for giving me this wonderful opportunity. My name is Saritha Chowdhury, and I recently completed my BTech in Information Technology from Ignan Institute of Engineering for Women. And coming to my work experience, previously I have been interned at Maker in Me Technologies as an AI developer intern, which is in Bangalore, where I have been worked on AI development. So the problem statement they gave me was uh, processing the automated invoices. So the challenge they gave me to process the invoices, as it is a product-based company, they'll receive many invoices daily. So I have been worked on processing those invoices automatically using line graph RAG pipelines.
I see. That sounds like a very practical and impactful project to work on, especially for a product based company. Since you mentioned you recently completed your BTech in Information Technology, could you please share your expected graduation date or the date you completed your program?
Yeah, I have been completed my graduation in April. So I currently don't have any other commitment, so I can join immediately upon receiving the offer.
Got it. Congratulations on completing your degree this past April. That's wonderful to hear. And since you mentioned you're ready to start immediately, what motivated you to apply for this specific AI developer intern role with our team?
Yeah, during my college itself, I enjoy building real world projects and solving real world problems, where using AI helps me to reduce manual work and improve the automated task. What currently the work Hello Recruiter is working, it was a good it currently aligns with my current career goals, which reduces the manual work and improves the AI automations. And I'm excited to join the organization and contribute my learning goals and improve myself as an AI developer.
Love it. It's great to hear how much you enjoy automating tasks and solving real world problems with AI. You mentioned earlier that during your previous internship, you worked on automating invoice processing using pipelines. Could you describe that project a bit more and share what the most challenging technical problem was that you had to solve during it?
Yeah, sure. That's a good question. Thank you so much for asking. The AI automated invoice parser, which is it helps you to reduce the manual work. Like when you're getting an invoices daily, entering them manually takes a lot of human power, and it also like it consists of like some inconsistent data, some mistakes when you're entering them manually, and it takes hours of time to enter them manually. So AI can do it in minutes. So I have built an multi-chain orchestration which is using line graph where you can just need to process the like send the invoice, then AI automatically extract data and store the data in the database. So for that, I mainly worked on LangGraph, and firstly, I have tried using it doing RAG pipelines, but uh, I have faced some challenges like the data is not consistent, and also sometimes the AI itself, like AI agents, were guessing the fields if like the invoices consist of vendor name, invoice date. Some if there those kind of dates are missing, AI completely guessing those kind of data. So I have handled the inconsistencies, and I have also added human in the loop. So it consists of multiple pipelines like extracting the data and validating the data, and also I have added human in the loop so user can review the data and they can store the data in the database.
That's really interesting. Handling data inconsistencies and preventing the AI from guessing missing fields is definitely a common and tricky challenge with LLMs. What was your specific contribution to the final outcome of that project?
Yeah, it was working. Final outcome is it gives a very good output. Like first at the starting phase there were some inconsistencies, such as like it the invoices are of different formats. So handling those inconsistencies made me more better in using the AI. I have improved my prompt quality and improved and I have added the validation checks. So currently it was working very well. It is doing hours of manual work in just minutes.
Nice. Improving prompt quality and adding validation checks to handle different formats is a great way to tackle that. Given your experience with RAG pipelines and LLMs, what is the most interesting AI trend or technology you have been exploring lately?
Yeah, currently I'm focusing on working on automating the AI workflows like using lang graphs, lang chains, and N8N workflows, Zapier, and Cloud Code, where you can automate the task and make the hours of manual work in 2 minutes of using AI.
Cool. Agentic workflows and automation tools are definitely where a lot of the exciting innovation is happening right now. I noticed on your resume that you have your previous internship experience listed. To help me get a better understanding of your background, could you walk me through the timeline of your experience at your previous companies, including the specific dates you worked there?
Yeah, sure. I have been at start second year of my BTech. I have been worked at EduNet Foundation as an Stack developer intern, where I have built an using Stack. food delivery app where users can book the online food similar to Swiggy, Zomato, like food in the online. And after that, I have worked at Up to Skills as an AI/ML intern where I have led a team of four where I build a real-time cloud surveillance project which is more focused on computer vision. And after that, as I mentioned earlier, I have been interned at Makerimi Technologies as an AI engineer intern where I have worked on building automated invoice parser.
Got it. Thanks for walking me through that timeline. It's great to see how your experience evolved from run stack development into computer vision and AI engineering. I really appreciate you sharing all of this with me today, Saritha. Before we wrap up, do you have any questions for me about the role of the company?
No, I don't have any other questions.
Our team will review your application and get back to you within 2 to 3 business days. Thanks again for your time, Saritha, and have a great rest of your day.
Thank you.